everyone, for this video I'm going to show you how to crochet these very cute little flowers. They're extremely easy to make. They take less than 10 minutes. They're ideal for beginners. For more experienced crafters they'll take less than 10 minutes. For this video I've made the yellow one. I've used a 3-ply yarn and a 3mm hook, and the beauty of these is you can use any odds and ends of your yarns to make them. They can be used for scrapbooking, greeting cards, embellishments on booties, cushions, blankets, lots. I'm sure there's loads of other things that you can probably think of that I can't. So enjoy. So we're going to start by making a chain of 6. So if you grab the end of your yarn and just wrap around your fingers, and then where it crosses just pinch here with your thumb and let this piece drop. If you insert your hook underneath and pull up a loop, and then just grab these 2 pieces here and then just pull them until you're nice and snug up to the hook. Doesn't have to be too tight. So to start by doing a chain, we're going to yarn over and pull through, and there's your first chain. Yarn over and pull through. That's 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and we're going to be making a slip stitch into here, our first chain that we made, just the top loop. So if you push the hook underneath, yarn over and pull up a loop, you should then have 2 loops on your hook, and then just pull through the top loop to the bottom one, and that's your slip stitch made. I've just prized this apart. You can see what we've just done. So we've created a ring that we're going to be working into. So for the next round we're going to chain 1, yarn over and pull through, and we're going to work a double crochet into this ring. So if you just put the hook through the center, yarn over and pull through, and you should have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through both loops, and there you've made a double crochet. So we're now going to chain 6. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and we're going to work back into this ring here. So if you again push the hook through the center, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both loops, and that's what it should be looking like now. So we're going to chain 6 again. So yarn over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you're going to work again into the center of this circle again. So put your hook through, yarn over and pull up, and you're going to work another double crochet. Now you can see, and we need to make 5 of these. So we've done 2, so chain 6 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and work another double crochet into the ring. Do another chain of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Again, go back into the circle, pull up another loop, yarn over and pull through both to make another double crochet. So we've made 4, this will be our 5th. So if we make another chain of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and we're going to join with a slip stitch in chain 1, which was down here. So I just pull, if they're a bit tight, the loops, just prise them apart with the hook. So you're going to go under both loops, if you can see, just push the hook through, yarn over, pull up a loop, it wants to come through, and then just pull through again, and there we've made a slip stitch into the beginning. So now you have 5 petals formed and made, and what we're going to do now is work 7 double crochet into each loop, and then we'll be joining at the end with the first double crochet that we made, which will be this one. So if you just insert the hook under your first petal and yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both loops, and again that's another double crochet. So we need to do 6 more of those. Number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Let me just count how many have you made. Again, if you always lose track, or not always, sometimes lose track if you count, just count the V's. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got one more to do. And there's 7. And we just need to do that in all the others. So again, just go into your next petal, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through both loops. Again, we're doing 7, so that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just take a look at what you've done, and this is what it should look like. Again, going to the third one, work another 7 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to the next one, work another 7 again, double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, going to the next one, 1, 2, 3. I'm just going to go back on that one. Sometimes if you do like there, you can see the yarn is slightly split. I just pull it, tease it out, put your hook back through. It's best to always have your stitches as clean as you can make them. So that was 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and that brings us to the end. So we're just going to make a slip stitch in the first double crochet that we made, which was this one here, this first V. So if you insert the hook under both loops, pull up a loop and just pull through again, and there's our slip stitch. And then I just bring up another bigger loop with the hook and just snip. You don't need it too long, just a few inches, and then just pull that end through your loop. No, oh, wrong one, that was the one we started with. And then just pull to close it up, and that creates a nice knot there, so it won't come undone. So there you have it. It's a really simple flower to make. And then just grab a needle, a yarning needle, and you just sew in your threads. Doesn't matter where, you just go under your back stitches anywhere, and then just, you probably only, I would this one, just go around here, and same with this one, pull it over, just sew under your back threads and snip, and that's it. It's very simple. That was a really quick flower to make, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, please subscribe and please look out for my other videos. Thank you and see you soon. Bye bye.